So hey guys, so today I'm back with a video and we're going to be doing a mini Morphe haul, which is why I've got no eyeshadow on because I got an eyeshadow. Loads of eyeshadow brushes. I'm really excited. So I've got my box down here. Let's open it up. Okay. So you can tell that I'm all about blending because I got the Beast Mode Blender Brush Firm Shadow Pro Firm Blending Fluff Pointed Blender and Large Round Blender. I got 4 blending brushes. 4! So I'm just going to grab them all out of my box. Okay. Throw everything on. Okay, so these are my brushes. And then I've got a palette which I've not opened this yet, so I'm really excited. So, let's have a look at these brushes. I haven't opened any of these yet, but I have a sneak peek. This is the boring one first. So this is the Morphe M124 brush. This is the Firm Shadow brush. Oh my god, get out. So it just looks like this. It's literally just a firm shadow brush because I need a new one. I don't really have any of these, and I saw James Charles using this and I was like, oh, that'd be really good to do cut creases with, so that's why I got that brush. I'm gonna put it there. Okay, next brush I got is the M43, which is the Pro Firm Blending Fluff. The blending fluff. Oh my god, they're so soft, and this is what it looks like. So it's like flat but fluffy. If that makes sense. It's flat but fluffy. It's a good crease brush, this. Flat but fluffy. Again, I saw James Charles using this brush. This is why I got it, because I need more blending in my life. Okay, let's do this one. So this is the Morphe M505, which is the pointed blender. Ooh, this looks quite nice. This is really soft. So I'm going to be using all these brushes to do my makeup with the eyeshadow palette that I've got as well. This is the M511, which is the large round blender brush. Oh, it is very large. It's a little bit big for my eye, but we'll see. And then I also got, this is a lot of packaging for one brush. How do I get this open? Okay, so this is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush, which is the Beast Mode Blender brush. So this is what this looks like. Jaclyn Hill Beast Mode Blender brush. And if I'm completely honest with you, it looks exactly the same to the M511 large round blender brush. Do you know what I mean? They look exactly the same. If anything, this one's a little bit wider, but they look exactly the same. And this was like £2 more expensive than this one, but they look exactly the same. This one's a little, the Jaclyn Hill one's a bit softer, but they look exactly the same. So if you think about getting the Jaclyn Hill one, then don't bother, just get the M511 instead because they're exactly the same. Anyway, oh, I've got packaging everywhere. Okay, so now onto the Morphe palette. So I got the 15-hour Happy Hour Morphe palette. 15 shades to mix things up. Totally mirrored palette. Wearable shades to put happy into hour. From warm peaches to chilled out pewters. Crazy, creamy, lush eyeshadow can mix, mingle, and well beyond last call. Ooh. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I've never ever had a Morphe palette before. I obviously have the Morphe M3 foundation brush, which I got like a year ago, but other than that I've never bought anything from Morphe, so I'm really excited. Okay, so this is the palette. Let's say that's fallen out. Oh wow, this is a very autumnal palette. Okay, this is what the palette looks like. How pretty. How pretty. This is a very autumnal palette. So Trash Talk, 5 PM, Snap, Manhattan Hotspot Bubbly Bottoms Up Wingman. Okay, so I've just swatched some of the colours on my hand. Look at these shimmers, they are so pretty. Yeah. And I've created a look on my hand, and it looks really ridiculous, but I was just playing with the brushes, and it doesn't blend very well, but we'll see what it's like on my arm, on my face. Okay, let's go a little bit more. Let's get to using these eyeshadows. So I've already like prepped my eyes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go in with the colour on the rocks, which is this colour here, just as a base all over my eyelid, with the Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush. These are bloody mouthfuls to say. Just to prep. I'm also testing out a foundation at the moment, and it's not liking my eyes, so I don't know how this is going to work out with the foundation I'm testing. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the colour mixer, which is this colour right here, like a nice peachy colour, and just put that in my crease. That's going to be my transition colour, and I'm going to use the M505, which is the pointed blender brush. Ooh. This is a nice colour. I'm just going to try and blend that up a bit as much as I can. It feels like quite a firm eyeshadow brush, if I'm honest, but it seems to be blending them quite nicely, so I'm just going to use the Morphe and just blend it out. Okay, I like that. I'll do the other side. I did 3 eyeshadow looks yesterday, like I put one on, didn't like it, so I took it off, put another one on, took some Instagram photos, and then took it off because it was a bit much for every day, and then put my everyday eyeshadow on, and my eyes were so sore yesterday. They stung when I put my eye cream on, and they're still a bit sore today. Okay, I really like that colour, it blended out really nicely. Okay, so now I'm going to use the M433, which is the Pro Firm blending brush, and I'm going to take the colour Snap. Yeah, I'm going to take the colour Snap and sort of put that, like, add it to my crease. Actually, should I use, I'm going to use the 505 pointed blender brush, because this is going in my crease as well. That's a nice colour. Yeah, my eye does this little thing because my eyes are quite wrinkly, so it gets stripy on the ends there. So I'll just blend it out. They're blending out really nicely. Oh my god. I'm like so happy right now. I'm just going to build it up a bit more. And I'm going to take the colour on the rocks, which is the base colour we started with, and just to help blend it out a bit. Pretty is that? Oh my god. Okay, just going to do the same with the other side. Okay, I love it a lot. Okay, so now I'm going to take the M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff, I like that name, and I'm going to take the colour Manhattan, which is a brown colour down here, and that's going to be like crease, corner, just to like darken up the edges a bit. So I'm just going to take a little bit on like that end of the brush. I like the big mirror on this as well. This is so pigmented, I'm kind of scared. It's a bit intimidating. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush, but I haven't used it, which is the M511, which is exactly the same as the Jaclyn Hill one, and just sort of fluff it out. Actually, I think this one's... Okay, yeah, so this one's more pointed than the Jaclyn Hill one. Ow, put myself in the eye. Okay, I don't know if I like that brown colour. It hasn't blended very nicely. I'm going to put the Jaclyn Hill colour and put some on there and see if I can blend out a bit more. Either it's the brush, or it's that specific colour, or it's just the foundation. Okay, yeah, it hasn't really blended very nicely. Okay, so on the other side I'm going to use the big fluffy blending brush with the Manhattan colour and see if that works out a bit better, because it's not really blending out and it looks a bit patchy. This colour does not want to blend, look, it's so patchy. It just doesn't want to move. I got something in my eye. Okay, that will do. It didn't blend the best, that colour, but it will do. I'm going to cut my crease, so I'm going to take a bit of my concealer and I'm going to take the flat brush. I'm so excited for this. So excited. Ooh. Okay, I did that one a little bit higher, but not too bad. Okay, I'm excited for this. So I'm going to take the colour Hotspot, which is this like gold, pinky, shimmery colour, and I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm so excited. Oh. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Just pack it on. So pretty. Okay. So I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill JH30 brush and I take a bit of the Snap colour, which is a red colour, and just blend it in my crease a little bit. Because I really like this colour and I want this colour to pop. Actually no, I'm going to take the pointed one, the M505. Going to take On the Rocks again, just to help blend everything out, and we're just going to blend. Okay, so I'm going to take the pointed M505 blending brush and use some of that brown again and see the Manhattan and just see if I can get it to look nice. Just going to do little circular motions, so I'm like constantly blending. Okay, I think that's as much as I'm going to get that colour blended. Just gonna tidy up a bit and do the same on the other side now. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the Too Faced shadow liner, which is just white, and put that on my inner corner with my little brush, my flat brush. Still white in it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the colour Snap, which is the red colour, and put that like on my outer corner. Okay, so I'm just going to take my highlighter colour from the Imagination palette. I'm just taking this highlighter colour down here and putting that in the inner corner of my eyes, just to brighten up my eyes, because they don't really have like a bright colour in this palette, so just putting that on top of that white that we put there. Woohoo! Wow, look at that. Okay, so I've just finished the rest of my makeup and oh my god, I am absolutely in love with this eyeshadow. So I'll zoom you guys in and give you like a little montage of my eyeshadow. So I really love the eyeshadow palette. The colours blended really nicely, other than that brown colour. Like, I managed to get it to blend, but it wasn't my favourite to blend. I don't know why I didn't blend. All the other colours blended nicely. The brushes are amazing. Like, I literally love all of the brushes. I'm so happy I went with these. These two are basically the same, except this one's more pointed than the Jaclyn Hill one. But other than that, they're pretty much exactly the same. I love all these brushes. I'm so happy with my purchase, and I really hope you like this mini Morphe haul that I did, and I hope you like the eyeshadow. I really like it. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and these eyeshadow palettes, and I hope you love the eyeshadow. I'm in love with the eyeshadow. It's very autumnal, it's very fall, it's perfect for the time of the year at the moment, and I'm in love. I'm in love. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!